Hello, this is Ricardo with Elite HVAC Contractors, and today we're going to take a closer look at our new service that we have, which is the Mitsubishi Intelli-heat system. It's a dual fuel heating system. We're going to talk about what the system exactly is, who would be a great fit for the system, and we're also going to discuss pricing. The Intelli-heat system from Mitsubishi is a new cold climate heating system available. Basically, what we do is we install this Intelli-heat coil. We can install it to an existing furnace or a new furnace, and the way it works, we're going to be using the cold climate heat pump technology from Mitsubishi to get all the benefits from a cold climate heat pump, like the efficiency, the eco-friendliness, high coefficient of performance, the inverter driven compressor for the cooling system in the summertime. But also we can use that system and integrate it to your existing furnace or a new furnace. This is great because cold climate heat pump technology is newer. A lot of people really don't trust, they're not really that familiar with a cold climate heat pump. This system allows us to take advantage of all of the benefits of the cold climate heat pump. It's a peace of mind because clients get to keep their gas firing furnace. Who's this system for? The Mitsubishi Intelli-heat dual fuel heating system is for someone that is looking to get all the reliability, the efficiency, and the eco-friendliness of a cold climate heat pump, but it's not familiar or doesn't trust the cold climate heat pump technology that much. This system is great for them because we can use the furnace, a regular gas burning furnace, alongside the cold climate heat pump system from Mitsubishi, combining the best of two worlds. The way it works is on harsher winter days, we're going to be using the furnace to do the heating, and on milder, not so cold days, we're going to be using the cold climate heat pump. This way, someone that wants to get into the cold climate heat pump world can experience all the benefits from a cold climate heat pump system without sacrificing their peace of mind. Now let's talk about the investment costs for a system like this. For a system like this with a high efficiency furnace, the Intelli-heat cold climate heat pump system, you're looking at a starting price of $35,000.